Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Dunkin Donuts account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Dunkin Donuts account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Dunkin Donuts sign up and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. To sign up for your Dunkin Donuts account, enter your first and last name and your email address. Create a password for your Dunkin Donuts account. Tap on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Enter your phone number, zip code, select your month and day. You can also add a promo code if you have and then tap on Join. By clicking on Join, you will agree to the terms and conditions of Dunkin Donuts. This is how you can sign up for your Dunkin Donuts account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.